Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for PS5 error code CE-112908-1. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access the PlayStation Store. Many players reported that whenever they click on any game in the store, this error code appears, preventing them from loading the content. According to our research, the error is likely caused by internet connection issues, incorrect DNS settings, or router restrictions interfering with the store connection. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to go to your network settings. Then turn off the Connect to the Internet option, then wait for 2 seconds, then turn it back on. After this, try accessing the store again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, delete your original Wi-Fi connection and set it up again. Then check for the error. If the error persists, set your DNS server to a public one. Simply go to your PS5 network settings, then select Manual Setup, and then use any public DNS servers. Once done, see if the error still comes. If the error continues, open the necessary ports on your router and restart it. After restarting, check for the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, try using the PlayStation app to download the game directly to your console. Many users reported that this method bypassed the error. So give this a try and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, try switching between an Ethernet cable and Wi-Fi and see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.